Good afternoon. Happy Sunday to everybody. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm showing you my small haul sa Asian store. Went to the oldest Asian store in town. We have three different Asian stores over here. The closest is 5 minutes from us, and the farthest is 30 to 35. Ito ang mga siguro 15 lang ito, especially Sunday walang traffic. So got some stuff that I needed or I'm craving. Ang first kinuha ko is ang Eskinol. My favorite type of this brand is yung cucumber. I've tried different facial cleanser here like Garnier at iba pa, pero the amount of dirt na nakukuha ng Eskinol is mas marami, kaya hiyang ako dito. Talagang parang lahat ng na-absorb ng dust in my skin na talagang nalilinis ng Eskinol na ito. So it's not sponsored, pero I was using this since I was young, char. Anyway, the next one is the coconut milk. I'm gonna use this in my hair. It's very dry na, so gagamitin ko to siya sa buhok. Pwede din sa gulay, di ba? And I have here kimchi. When I came over here, hindi talaga ako kumakain ito. Tapos my husband he likes kimchi in every dish possible. So na-influence ako, kaya ginagamit namin siya sa fried rice or even sa ramen. Really delicious. And this is a napa cabbage. And we have two packages of horseradish leaves. Akala ko English ng kalamunggay is moringa. Anyway, so ito guys, parang bato, frozen to. 250 a package, mahal, pero na-miss ko na ang kalamunggay. Sa Bisaya we called lauoy, oilless soup, na pwedeng lagyan ng kalabasa, okra, talong, munggos, daing din. So yun, maglalauoy ako anytime this week. And the next is the bok choy. Frozen, naka-freeze lahat ang kanilang vegetable. So I have to after filming this, I'm gonna chop this off and then ilalagay ko sa para hindi masira sa refrigerator. So bok choy for the 252, itong package nito, not bad. And I have here sukang puti, pinakamasarap, char. Siya, $1.60. Wala na akong suka pang sausawan or adobo. And a package of bulad. Sa dilis, I forgot what's this in Tagalog, pero ni sa Bisaya, bulad. And that is the price. Masarap to sa agahan or even hapunan or whatever. Pwede din lunch, di ba? And here I got a puto. I really love this. And then I don't know how to make this from scratch. I know I can find a lot of video sa YouTube tutorial, pero this is the easiest, convenient, and fastest. So easy to follow steps there. So gagawa ako ng puto anytime this week and from the box. Have you tried using this, guys? White King. Masarap naman siya. And ang last na nakuha is itong pansit bihon. Bihon is life. Long life. Diba? Ang sarap ng picture doon. So, this is $4.50. Siya? Parang dalawang lutuan. So, yun ang aking mga napamili. I'm gonna, whatever I will prepare anytime this week, as I've said, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. I don't know, even if you don't care. I'm joking. I'm gonna share it with you. So, whether you like it or not, I'm just kidding. So, anyway, so yun lang guys. And I hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday. Kasi bukas is back to work.